Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you why music option not showing on your WhatsApp status and what you need to do to fix the problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, of course, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp application on my mobile phone. And if we want to get the music option, of course we have to create a status. I'm going to go to the updates, and then I'm going to click on my status, and I'm just going to select camera, and I'm going to take photo with the WhatsApp camera. Okay, and after we take a photo or upload a photo, we'll get option here, music status, music option. You will have option to add music to your WhatsApp status, but unfortunately here, as you can see guys, that there is no option to add music. If this happened to you guys, I recommend you to go to your Play Store and update your WhatsApp application. So the first thing you're going to do if you face this problem is updating your WhatsApp. You can go to the Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user, and then you need to search for the WhatsApp application. I'm going to go to the search menu, and then we can search for WhatsApp, and you need to update your WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp needs to be updated, the update button will appear right here. But as you can see guys, that there is no update option. It means that my WhatsApp is in the newest version, and I just need to open it. But there is still no music option here. But don't worry guys, if you haven't got the music option on your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story, you just need to wait for it, because I think the WhatsApp developer give us the feature gradually. Maybe they are still testing this feature, so we just need to wait until we get the music option feature. Or you can try to contact WhatsApp. You can go to the WhatsApp setting by clicking on these three dots, go to the settings, and you're going to scroll down until you find the help menu, and you can ask about this problem to WhatsApp. I'm going to go to the help center, and then I'm going to click on contact us, and I'm going to tell WhatsApp music option not showing on status. Click on next. Okay, and I'm going to select this option about adding music to WhatsApp status. Okay, and this is the explanation from WhatsApp. We're building and testing out new features like music on status, and they may not be available to you yet. In the meantime, we recommend keeping WhatsApp updated on your device so you can get the feature as soon as it's available. So you just need to wait until the feature appear on your WhatsApp status. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.